10 acres in Nokesville, Virginia? Yeah, I just said that. It exists, and let me tell you all about it. Today, we are at Windhaven Woods, which is a great name for this community because it's literally in the woods. What's common in this area is either farmland, planned communities, or wooded lots. I'm Virginia from Virginia, and welcome to the channel where we go over everything for Fauquier County and Western Prince William County. I'm going to show you this community and what you need to be aware of before you get too excited. Windhaven Woods is located in the suburbs of the suburbs, so you still have the proximity to Northern Virginia. However, you're likely to have more land and or bigger homes and a lot less light pollution. Commuting is accessible via 29 to the north or 28 to the south. Looking at the site plan, you can see that this community offers 11 10-acre lots. That's 10-acre lots. This is not a typical community in the sense, well, we do not have an HOA here, and also it's not one of the typical cul-de-sac communities. Instead, it's more of a you have your own lot right off of the main road, and you possibly share a driveway depending on the lot. If you love that, it's a huge opportunity. Built by Atlantic Builders. With 6 available floor plans, there's something for everybody. The starting price for each of the homes is between $1.2 million and $1.4 million, and the square footage for the one-level living models is between 2,500 square feet and 3,420 square feet. All of these homes have a basement, and the two-story homes that are closer to the $1.2 million range are the Lewis and Finley, and the larger homes are from the 1.2 to the $1.4 million range, with the Amberley having an additional option of providing a multi-generational main floor suite with a bedroom, sitting room, bathroom, and also a fully separate prep kitchen. This community is served by the schools, the Nokesville School for kindergarten through 8th grade and Brentsville School for high school. As you can see, there are some pre-existing homes adjacent to and intermingled in this community. So you're not starting from scratch with respect to a community feel. The community is at the pre-breaking ground stage and selling now.